Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are a parent, guardian or caretaker and want your kids to grow up with good financial habits, you're in the right place. Many adults struggle with money because they never learned how to manage it as children. But today, we are going to change that. I will share easy and effective strategies to teach kids about money in a fun way, without complicated financial concepts. Let's get started. For kids to appreciate money, they first need to understand where it comes from. It doesn't magically appear from an ATM or fall from the sky when we use a credit card. It is earned through work and effort. A practical way to teach this is by involving them in daily shopping. For example, next time you go to the supermarket, give them a small amount of money and let them choose how to spend it. It could be on a candy, a small toy, or saving for something bigger. You'll see how they start thinking twice before spending and how they develop the skill of comparing prices and making decisions. Saving is one of the most important financial lessons we can teach our kids from a young age. A great method is the 3-jar rule: one for spending, one for saving, and one for giving. For example, if they receive $10 as a gift, they can divide it into parts: $5 for saving, $3 for spending, and $2 for helping others. This way, children can physically see their money grow and learn to manage their resources. Additionally, setting clear goals, like saving for a bicycle or a video game, makes saving have a real and exciting purpose. You don't have to wait until adulthood to learn how to make money. From an early age, we can teach kids the importance of effort and creativity in generating income. Some ideas for younger children include selling lemonade, making crafts to sell at school, or doing extra chores at home for a small reward. For older kids, they can offer services like dog walking, taking care of neighbors' plants, or selling things they no longer use. When children learn to earn their own money, they value it more and make better spending decisions. Plus, this fosters an entrepreneurial spirit from an early age. One of the biggest financial mistakes in adulthood is spending without thinking. To prevent this in our kids, we must teach them the difference between a need and a want. Next time they ask for something, ask them, "Do you need it or do you just want it?" This forces them to reflect before spending. You can play games at home to reinforce this. For example, take several objects: clothes, food, toys, sweets, and ask them to classify them as a need or a want. This habit will help them make better financial decisions in the future, avoiding impulse purchases. Money isn't just for spending and saving. It can also be a tool for doing good. Teaching children the value of sharing with those who have less fosters empathy and gratitude. They can donate a portion of their money to a cause they care about, buy food for shelters, or simply help a friend in need. If they learn this from a young age, they will grow up with a healthier relationship with money and understand that it's not just about accumulating, but also about helping. To reinforce these lessons, here are some extra tips. 1. Lead by example. Kids learn by observing. If they see you managing your money well, they will imitate you. 2. Use games and activities. Board games like Monopoly or financial education apps can make learning about money fun. 3. Teach them about patience. They can't always get what they want right away. Waiting and working for something will make them value their achievements more. Teaching kids about money doesn't have to be complicated. With small daily actions, we can prepare the next generation for a financially healthy and successful future. Now I want to hear from you. What money lessons have you taught your kids? What strategies have worked best for you? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to receive more content like this. See you in the next video.